Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning house related vocabulary in Korean language. In this series, we are exploring a wide range of topics from rooms and furniture to household items and more. So if you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 3rd part. Here comes the Korean word for roof, and that is 지붕. 지붕. Next, let's see how you're going to say corridor in Korean, and it is called 복도. 복도. Now comes the Korean word for chimney, and that is 굴뚝. 굴뚝. Now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say laundry room in Korean, and it is called 세탁실. 세탁실. Next comes the word for yard, and that is 마당. 마당. Now let's see how you're going to say refrigerator in Korean, and it is called 냉장고. 냉장고. Next comes the word sofa, and in Korean it is called sofa. sofa. As you can see, it is a Korean loan word, and therefore it is very easy for us to remember this. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for pillar, and that is 기둥. 기둥. Now let's move ahead and see the word for bed. In Korean it is called 침대. 침대. Next one is the Korean word for curtain, and it is called curtain. curtain. Again a Korean loan word. Okay? Alright, so today we learned 10 Korean words related to house. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.